Teachers for primary and secondary school for Rivers State, my people, they do on serious protest. And this one na because according to them, they say they never paid them salary for 5 good years or more. And these people where they talk about, they reach like 250. So imagine 250 teachers, 5 years salary, they never see. When I hear this matter from my mind, I can say, 5 years. I don't understand. Wait till they enter 5 years. They say, Madam Aproko, na 5 years. I say, una they show say no be 5 months. They say no. Say na 5. Hey, or more. I don't even know what I go do. They say I must bring this matter out. And the reason why they bring out my people now because as I told you now, 10 teachers done. Yes, so exactly as you they think. And according to them, they say that because of hardship, no money, it don't keep people. So for now to imagine the gravity of this thing. So now wait oh, if I dey tell una say so all these politicians they smoke something, una go dey think say they lie. No, up till now. So even as una hear this one, I think say they lie. They take something, oh. If not, how you want to explain this kind of madness? If una see things where this so-called what they call am Governor Wike, abi Governor Wike, make I even give you English name. If una see the kind things where this man they do worldwide, hey, national and international. If una they see money here, money there, billions, it just they spend and they live. Make una relax. Me, I always they bring proof for una. So first of all, this man, Governor Wike, he go National Assembly member side. Now so he carry 15 Land Cruiser, Prado to be precise. He just the dash. He dashy. I beg for una we never see una things I just they make them up. Join me, make we watch am.
Recent, His Excellency has empowered the judges of Rivers State extraction who are serving in even other states, but because they are Rivers indigenes, it's made available some tools for them to work and provided accommodation for them as well. Today, he has mandated us to visit the National Assembly members from Rivers State. The reason for what he's doing is to enable you do your work without any distraction, support you, and as you do your work as Rivers men and women, to put your shoulders high and represent Rivers State.
No, you need more proof because I have more. This same man, he go carry 41 Land Rover Discovery. He carry am. He dey give judges where they court of law. He pack and give them one by one, 41 for Rivers State. So I bet for una we never see am. You understand? Jeremy, make we watch am.
Today, the 3rd of August 2020, we unveil these vehicles for use of additional officers for effective delivery of justice to the people of the state in the name of God the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
You can see how my will not talk to that.
Hey, I know where they go. Una see am, judges. The same judges where they go sit down for court of law, spread that those their body. You know, say they sabi fat where. They don't chop, they go just spread body with their big glasses, with that cap where I don't even know. Now so they go just sit down. We are fighting corruption. We are fighting now demo. Same corruption we now they fight now that don't they benefit from them. You are fighting no, I they see the corruption. My people not be there end. This same governor, He visit he go survey the site, the land of Sokoto. Una remember matter wey happen that time wey Sokoto market burn, the central market. This man carry him 2 left legs, waga waga, he reach there. Come carry mic. They behave like one good person, like person wey never kill mosquito before. Now so you go carry mic, they talk, say, hey, I'm sure that you people now, you need money, you have lost money, you are going to speak grammar. This man can't donate 500 million naira. Not be 500,000, no, 500 million. I don't bring a corner aside. Make I not stress myself too much. So for now, we never see and hear them before. I beg join me, make we watch them.
People have lost their goods. The state government will have to see how this market will be brought back the way it's supposed to be. And so I want to say we sympathize with you, we identify with you, and we know the negative effect on the economy of various families. Families who depend for day-to-day trading and sales of their goods. As friends and brothers, when we have a problem, we must also say, how do we contribute to support the government of Sokoto State to put back the structures that have been destroyed by the unfortunate fire incident.
No, it's shocking. See, if I dey give una matter, me I dey come with details and proof. Una suppose know me by now. This man leave Rivers State. Hey, that one. In fact, that one even scatter my head. You leave your state, you travel how many kilometers per hour, you enter another person's state. You say you dey donate 500 million. So wait, as you go donate this money now, wetin come happen to Aminu Waziri? Because now he be the governor of that Sokoto. So him, you dey tell us now, say him, you don't know him work. Good Samaritan go soon kill you there. Good Samaritan. So they tell you say that man no fit handle in state. As market born, no be the same money una get. No be the same work una dey work. So why instead of you to face your state problem, people wey dey die of hunger, you never pay them salary. You go there so that people wetin be your intention? So that people go say, oh, this man a very good man, oh, this lies upon lies. See, you go see with all these things una dey do, we go soon meet up with una. My people, which other proof una need? Anything wey you ask me, I go bring am. I know they talk too much. Which other proof una need now for una to know say this man dey take something? For person to live in your side, say they go donate. Una know how much those cars wey una even watch. One. Only one, you know how much? 250 teachers they in fact their eyes dey like this, they wait. If you join all the cars money where you go share, join them together, you go at least settle. If you no go even reach 10 years of these people's salary safe. Yes na, plus the 500 million. This man is wicked. No other definition one I won't tell me. This man is wicked. 10 people don't go. 10 people because of this hardship. And you as governor, you are not doing anything about it. You dey buy other people problem. You abandon your own problem. Wetin these judges need this car for? First question. You dey buy judges car, wetin they need am for? You leave doctors, nurses, teachers, all those people wey you know say, in fact, na them even dey labor for the nation. Yes, now without doctors, how we go live? Now them you even supposed to appreciate, carry this car, give them, say you have been working hard. You carry all the judges, give them car because you want to put them under your umbrella, so that anytime a case come against you, you go see way to run. Your time go soon come. Very corrupt somebody of a person I never see for my life. I beg, go pay those people their money. Go pay these people their money. Wait, I even want to ask something. Nigeria. Now only una go act movie, where person die, the spirit go dey hunt people with knife. How come e no dey happen real life? By now, those 10 people wey don go, hi, they suppose start dey, una no understand. Na only for movies, una own no dey pass movie. No wonder the industry sef, the people wey dey act pass the movies wey we dey watch. No, una by now una suppose start dey act. Because I no say even all of una wey don die una dey watch me sef. I no say una dey watch me, I no dey joke. Please start action. Even from under that ground, because I don tire for these politicians. I don tire. Make we start dey hear say person dey run. Leave me, I'll confess. Hey, they say wey dey happen for movie, make it start dey happen. If you like, no pay them their money. When they start dey chase you with broom, you go look for me, and by that time, in fact, na me go even personally bring your matter outside. My people, abeg, una need help me for this one. See, if you don dey before wey you never drink water, no, that level of brokenness, wey even water you no even fit afford, you go understand these people pain. You go understand am. Me, I don in fact, if I say I've been there, na understatement. I don over my journey sef don over long. I have passed it sef. So I know how they feel. My people, please make una help me. Make we share this video so that people go know say na this thing dey happen, and this man too go gree pay these people their money. Enough is enough. They don't too suffer. Abeg, you understand? So share am so that they go fit get. See, I really dey pity them. No, they no easy. Some of them say na single parents. So una fit imagine am. But anyhow, I know say una go down, una be my people, and still drop the comment for that comment section. I go reply una one by one as usual. And make sure say you subscribe. If not, how you wan get matters like this? You understand? Just click on it. No go do anything. Stay tuned for our next story. They don't handle one foolish man like that over to police. This man, they say they catch him red-handed. This one no be say, this one say, that one say. They catch him like this on top of, I don't even know who they on top of, who they under, but 4 years old girl. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 years. This man, they he dey susuru the, as in I no just understand that. Hey, Chineke, may this one will come. And they say no be the first time. Oh, they say this man, so he go dey do from one place to another. All these small children, he go just dey deceive them. It don't dey happen tey. This one now where they don't finally catch up. Be like say they don't dey time am. Say, oh yeah, next target. Now so they carry and go round. They disgrace am. The man say, if una say, I be like say in life dey 1%. So I beg, I don't bring a corner aside. For una we no know who I dey talk about. How it look like crayfish. Join me, make we watch am.
This is the face of a that's a 4-year-old kid. Look at his face. That is him, a 4-year-old kid. Rape a 4-year-old kid. What were you thinking?
My question now be say, how come this man still dey see with him 2 eyes? By this time, una no sabi work. This man 2 eyes is still there, like he dey see. After he rape, that is I no even fit call am rape. And they believe say rape na okay, forcefully action. This is we know by force, but this one no be rape. In fact, this one na inhuman. Make her speak small grammar. Because rape, at least when the person dey of age, even though she go dey struggle. You know wetin be 4 years old? They just born this pikin yesterday now. Now this, hey Chineke, I know wetin my mind dey think of now. That place, that girl place now. How you even be with this man manage? Like una sabi do some kind things for this life, oh. Una sabi do some things where person no even fit start to dey imagine unimaginable things. I don't even know whether that make her cry. I don't even know. That small girl now, her life don't finish. Now only God fit make her whole again. As he be. Nothing wey you won't tell me. If you like, carry and go all the doctors. Carry and that's it. The damage now, we don't even damage inside her belly, inside the whole place. Now, because of things like this, me, it hard before you go see me say, I dey pity poor people. Some poor people, I no fit. Some of them, the reason why they did the way they did, and because of the evil things where they do. I no fit pity them. See this one now. Maybe next year, when this matter don't die, nobody can remember again. They go come see am for street. Maybe don't mad. Hey, sorry, oh. Una no know, una they tell her sorry. Me, I no fit pity them again because I don't see. I have seen more than enough. I don't tire. God, I beg. See, I know say you dey hear me, and anytime where they talk, you dey listen to me. Because you fit share this word, give me my part. Make I just go, like make I just do on my own, and give me Adam. I promise we no go chop any fruit. I don't see my people. I want. When I don't know how this thing. See, I won't disappear. As soon as they see me like this, one leg dey Nigeria, another leg, I don't know where it dey, but I still dey believe God say go provide the country where me I go enter. When I not go understand though, not only women, okay, few women, because some women too don't even get heart, and people who get daughters, not only them feel relate the pain and sadness wey dey inside this matter. Parents, and if you don't say you be senior brother or senior sister to one small girl, make una dey watch. Make una dey watch. I know wetin I dey talk oh, because this thing I dey see am almost every day. Now so they start oh, you go born pikin. Your pikin don turn maybe 1 year. Now so they go start dey come. My wife, my wife. Normal level, if you dey greet baby, na the cheek they touch. This one they go start dey touch breast wey never even come out. My wife, keep am for me oh. I go come carry. Now so they start oh. Una think say that my wife na joke. They don't dey eye am. In their mind, okay, make 3 years just reach now. I go start. Before you know am, you go just wake up your pikin. I no even see now from music they enter dance. I know wetin I dey talk. Make una dey listen. Una don't, especially the female. See, make una eye dey on top them like this. No give them chance, because many evil men, some evil men don't. Their mind don already make up say na like this they won't die. Even they lucky self. Even they lucky because even for the video now go see say they even allow and sit down small. You did it in a nice area, my brother. Because if na some places where we know by now 2x2 plank, they don't knock you Aproko with am. You in fact you no go even you see that place where you sit down. Now why they ask well, how come you still get eye? Because that your eye, you no go even use am look for small pikin again. By the time they give you, I cannot talk past this one. My people, now the sad matter be this one no be. In fact, as I dey like this, I know they smile. Very, very heartbreaking. And I don't even see. I don't even know anyhow way you want to take her. I just say make her bring this one out so that when I go, dey careful with some rascal. And in fact, they no just bring some children away for this life. I beg, share this video so that people go know how to start. You understand? They care for their children, especially the female ones, because their life they in danger now. Even adults, as we dey like this, we still dey careful. We dey mind the way we dey waka now. Imagine children, who won't protect them? So it is very important. Share this video so that parents go know wetin dey happen now. And again, if you never subscribe, wetin you dey wait for? You go dey miss things like this. I don't need to tell una this thing by now. How far? I better start to drop the comment for that comment section. I go reply on one by one as usual. Stay tuned for our next story.